Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device and opening the right menu. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and has at least 10% battery or is plugged in. This avoids interruptions. Next, go to Settings, tap General, then Date and Time to access controls. If Auto is on, you'll see the current network time. Turn it off if you need manual control. Once done, note the current time zone so you can return to automatic syncing later if desired. With Set Automatically off, you can change both time zone and the clock. First, tap Time Zone and type a city or region to pick the proper offset. This ensures calendar and reminders align. Then tap the displayed time to enter manual mode. Scroll hours and minutes precisely, and use AM/PM when relevant. Make sure your chosen zone matches daylight savings rules, otherwise events may shift. Once your manual values look correct, pause to confirm date alongside time so everything syncs. Finish by confirming the change and restoring automatic behavior if you want network accuracy. If you want the phone to keep accurate network time, toggle Set Automatically back on so carrier or Wi-Fi sources update the clock. If the time still looks wrong, restart the iPhone to force a settings refresh. If that fails, check carrier updates and Wi-Fi connection. Make sure location services and time zone settings aren't restricted. If problems persist, contact your carrier or Apple support for deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.